Alright, so hi everyone. So you guys know usually it's mommy always here, doing her little cooking stuff or so, or if she's even talking or so. But today it's just me because I would like to wish all the Jamaican people in Jamaica, abroad, wherever you are, as long as you're Jamaican, I would like to wish you guys a happy Independence Day, and Jamaica as well, happy Independence Day. Today is our 56th anniversary of independence. So it's every year for independence, it's always a big thing for Jamaicans. Sorry, that was my puppy. It's always a big thing for Jamaicans. We always get our families around. We celebrate the good times of eating all kind of different Jamaican foods, going to the beach, picnics, all those different types of things. And sometimes out here as well they have like galas and all those things to celebrate the independence each year. So I just wanted to say happy independence, and I hope you guys have a really good independence as well. Eat a whole lot of Jamaican food, spend time with the families, because that's what it's about. Just keeping everybody together and trying to remember your heritage and where we came from as a nation itself. So yeah, and our channel is all about like Jamaican cooking and all of that stuff. So if you want, if you're going to do like any there's a dinners today or so, you guys you can check out our channel to see any Jamaican foods that you'd like to see. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys just enjoyed this little video, just saying happy independence to Jamaica, and I hope you guys have a wonderful independence. Bye.